Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to use gesture navigation on the LENOVO tablet K11 Plus. To use gesture navigation, first you'll have to go into Settings, scroll down to General Settings and System Navigation. There, turn on gesture navigation. This will show you quick demos of how to use this. First, to go back, you have to swipe from the side of your screen. To go into home screen, you have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen. And to go into your recent apps, you have to swipe up and hold. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.